12th problem. Find the GP whose 4th and 7th terms are 1 by 18 and minus 1 by 486 respectively. The meaning of respectively now. The 4th term value is 1 by 18 and the 7th term value is minus 1 by 486. That is the meaning of respectively, accordingly. Now solution given, 4th term of a GP they have given as 1 by 18. We represent 4th term of a GP as T4. That implies AR cube, 1 less you'll write power, that's all, is equal to 1 by 18. This is equation number 1. 7th term of a GP is equal to minus 1 by 486. T7 means 7th term, shortcut, implies AR to the power of 6, just 1 power. 7 means 1 power less, R minus 1, N minus 1. So, is equal to minus 1 by 486. This is equation 2. Dividing equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 2 is AR to the power of 6 divided by AR cube is equal to minus 1 by 486 divided by 1 by 18. A get cancelled, A goes in A one time, and it is in the form of A power m by A power n, A power m minus n. Mention that formula compulsory. Is equal to minus 1 by 486. Division changing into multiplication, the fraction becomes reciprocal. Very, very important. Learn all these things. Now, take 6 table. 6 goes 3 times. 6 8s are 46. 6 1s are 6. Again 3 table. 3 goes 1 time. 3 goes 27 times. So, R cube is equal to, how R cube came? R to the power of 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 means 3. So, R cube is equal to minus 1 by 27. We know the factors of 27. 3 cube. Find out. 27. 3 goes 9 times. Again 3 goes 3 times. So, R cube is equal to minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Again minus will come. Power is odd. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. 1 into 1 into 1 into 3 times you multiply 1 only. 3 cube 27. Check whether correct or not. When powers are equal, see the powers are equal. When the powers are equal, bases also must be equal. So the base here is R. Automatic R will be equal to minus 1 by 3. Therefore we got R value. In GP, when we know A and R, we can find any term. In AP, A and D. In GP, A and R. So we got only R. We want to find A. Substituting R is equal to minus 1 by 3 in equation 1. We are taking equation 1. AR cube is equal to 1 by 18. A we don't know. We have to find that from unknown. R cube you can write directly minus 1 by 27. But now we found R value, we are doing again for understanding purpose. Minus 1 by 3 whole cube, that is equal to, just now I explained about minus 1 by 3 whole cube, how to multiply. So minus 1 by 27 is equal to 1 by 18. Unknown, keep left. A is equal to 1 by 18 as it is, into, when multiplication goes, that's a division. Then where is the division symbol, sir, you'll ask. If you want, write division symbol and write minus 1 by 27. Or otherwise direct attack. Direct what means? When a fraction going from left to right, it becomes reciprocal. Are you able to follow? Or otherwise you write like this. Division, again change into multiplication, same one. Same step you'll get. So now 9 table goes. 9 goes 2 times. 9 goes 3 times. So what the value of A means? Plus into minus. Here nothing is there, means plus. Plus into minus, minus 3 by 2. So what is the value of A? A is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now R is in your hand, A is in your hand. They told to find GP. GP we know. T1 means A, that is equal to again same minus 3 by 2. T2 means AR. A into R minus 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. 3 goes in 3 one time, minus into minus plus, 1 is 1, 2 ones are 2. So what is the answer we got means T2 is 1 by 2. Coming to T3, AR square, that is equal to minus, A means minus 3 by 2 into R square means R into R, minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3. Now 3 minuses are there, 1, 2, 3. Again minus only will get, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. So 3 goes in 3 one time, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 only. 2 and here 3 is cancelled out, 2 3 is remaining, 6. So therefore what is the GP means minus 3 by 2 comma 2 by 1 comma minus 1 by 6 so on. They did not ask to find these many. So we found 3 and we kept so on. If they ask first 4 or first 5, then you have to find. But here they did not ask anything. Find GP, just they told. So we found 3 and we kept so on. 13th problem. For what values of x? The numbers x plus 9 comma x minus 6 and 4 are in GP. In the question itself they are telling these are in GP. Confirmation how, whether they are in GP. Common ratio should be equal throughout the numbers or sequence. How many terms they have given? 3 terms. T1, T2, T3 are in GP. Common ratio must be equal. We know the formula. R is equal to T2 by T1. Again R is equal to T3 by T2, like that so on. But here we are having only 3 terms. So R is equal, common ratio. So I am LHS equal, automatic RHS also equal. I am taking T2 by T1 will be equal to T3 by T2. Are able to follow? Now do cross multiplication. T2 square, T2 into T2 is T2 square is equal to T1 into T3. What is T2? X minus 6. So x minus 6 whole square is equal to T1 into T2 means T. What is T1? X minus 9. What is T3? 4. So x minus 6 whole square is equal to x plus 9 into 4. Which formula? Seeing itself immediately should get a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. X square minus 2 into x into 6 plus 6 square is equal to, multiply 4 into x, 4x, plus into plus 9 4s are 36. So x square minus 2 6 are 12x minus 12x plus 6 square means 36 is equal to 4x plus 36. So plus 36 minus plus 36, both are same signs, both get cancelled. Or otherwise if you bring this side also no problem. Plus 36 minus 36 is 0. So same signs we can cancel when is equal to is there. Now x square minus 12x plus 4x coming from right to left minus 4x, nothing is there, is equal to 0. That side. Now x square minus, both are same signs, we are adding. Minus 12 minus 4 is minus 16. So minus 12x minus 4x is minus 16x is equal to 0. Now I am taking x as common. If I take, because x is there in both the terms, I am taking x common. So x minus 16 is there. X into x minus 16 is equal to 0. When we will get 0? Either x should be 0 or x minus 16 is equal to 0. X into 0 is equal to 0, or 0 into x minus 16 is equal to 0, or 0 into 0 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to 0 means, or x minus 16 is equal to 0. Minus 16 goes that side, plus 16. So x is equal to plus 16. 14th problem. Find the 6th term from the end of the GP. From back. Not from first. First means easy. From the back, from the end, 6th term. Which term we don't know first of all. First, this one we can say first, second, third, fourth, so on. Somewhere it is 1 by 512. Solution given, the given sequence you write 16, comma 8, comma 4, comma 2, comma so on, comma 1 by 512 are in GP. Already this is in GP they are telling. So here A is 16, R is T2 by T1. 8 by 16, 8 ones are 8 twos are, so 1 by 2 we got R. And the last term of this GP is what? L is equal to 1 by 512. Formula, very important, note down this formula. Nth term from the end is equal to last term by R to the power of n minus 1. In AP, nth term of an AP, nth term from the end, L minus of n minus 1 into D. Compare those both formulas. Formulas will be repeating in AP and GP. So, L by R to the power of n minus 1. L means how much? 1 by 512 divided by R we got as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6 minus 1. Because n minus 1. Because 6th term 6 minus 1. Now, numerator 1 by 512 as it is, keep a bracket, whole divided by 1 by 2 whole to the power of 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. 1 by 512, this division I am changing into multiplication. Then what I told you, the fraction becomes reciprocal. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 whole to the power of 5. Find the factors for 512. 2 goes 256 times, 2 goes 128 times, 2 goes 64, 2 goes 32, 2 goes 16, 2 goes 8, 2 goes 4, 2 goes 2 times. So, how many we got means 2 to the power of 9. In 512 place, you can write 2 to the power of 9. So, 1 by 2 to the power of 9 into, now A by B whole power M, A power M by B power M. Mention all these formulas. 2 to the power of 5 divided by 1 to the power of 5. Now, 1 into anything, same, 2 to the power of 5 only. So, 2 to the power of 5, how many times you are going to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, you are going to write 5 times. 2 to the power of 9 means 2 you are going to write 9 times. So, 2 goes in 2, 2 goes in 1 time, 1 time, 1 time. How many 2s are cancelled? 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining are 4. 1 by 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s 16. So, what is the sixth term from the end of the GP is 1 by 16. 15th problem. Find the fourth term from the end of the GP. 2 by 81, comma 2 by 27, comma 2 by 9, so on. The last term is 54 they give. From the last they are asking to find the fourth term. The given sequence 2 by 81, comma 2 by 27, comma 2 by 9, so on. 54 are in GP. Here A, first term T1, 2 by 81, R, common ratio, T2 by T1 is equal to 2 by 27 divided by 2 by 81. 2 by 27 into division changing into multiplication, reciprocal 81 by 2. 2 goes into 1 time, 9 3s are 9 9s are. Again 3 goes 3 times. So, 1 3 is 3, in denominator nothing is left, so R is equal to 3. Common ratio we got as 3. And L means last term of the given series. And the last term is 54. Now formula. Nth term of a GP from the end is equal to L by R to the power of n minus 1. Fourth term of a GP from the end is equal to 54 divided by 3 to the power of 4 minus 1. That is equal to 54 by 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 cube. Meanwhile, you find the factors for 54. 2 goes 27 times, 3 goes 9 times, 3 goes 3 times. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, and the meaning of 3 cube is also 3 into 3 into 3. These 3 3's goes in this those 3's. These 3's get cancelled and remaining is 2. So what is the answer means 2. Therefore, the fourth term from the end of the GP is 2. This is important problem. Is there in your textbook in example? But I want to explain to you personally so that you can understand this problem easily. The sum of three numbers in GP is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. Find the numbers. Solution given. Let the three numbers in GP be A by R, comma A, comma AR. Usually A, AR, AR square we'll think. But before AR, still there are A by R, A by R square, A by R cube, like that. Why we took in this type means for easy calculation. In AP also A plus T is there. Before A what is there? A minus T, still A minus 2D, like that. So here also we are following the same for easy method. Sum of three numbers GP is equal to 39 by 10. A by R plus AR is equal to 39 by 10. Now take A common. In three terms A is there. So if you take A common, 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equal to 39 by 10. Now take LCM. R will be the LCM. R goes in R one time, 1 is 1. Here nothing is there means 1. 1 R is R plus here 1 means R into R square. So A into 1 plus R square by R is equal to 39 by 10. This is equation number 1. Product of their three numbers, means product of their three numbers is equal to 1. What are the three numbers? A by R into A into AR is equal to 1. R get cancelled one time. A into A cube. A cube is equal to 1. If you want you can write here also cube. When powers are equal, bases are equal, that you can follow. One method. Second method, cube goes that side, cube root. Cube root of 1 is 1. Are you able to follow? Therefore A is equal to 1. Substituting A is equal to 1 in equation 1. So in the place of equation A I wrote 1. 1 into anything will be that much only. By R is equal to 39 by 10. Do cross multiplication. 110 is 10. 10 into 1 plus R square is equal to 39R. Multiply with 10. 10 plus 10R plus 10R square is equal to 39R. Write in order. 10R square plus 10R minus 39, because plus comes this side, minus 39R plus 10 is equal to 0. These two are like terms. So 10R square minus, here plus and here minus, opposite signs. You have to do subtraction. From 39 if you take 10, minus 29 will come. So 10R square minus 29R plus 10 is equal to 0. Now we got quadratic equations shape. Now finding factors, factorization. 10 tens are 100. When you multiply, 100 should come. When you simplify, minus 29 should come. In such a way you have to take factors. Minus 25 minus 4 is minus 29. Minus into minus plus. 25 fours are 100. This one I did not explain. Take 5R common. When you take 5R common, 5 goes 2 times. 2R minus 5. Here minus 2 take common. 2R minus 5. What comes in the first bracket? As it is comes in the second bracket. So take common in first term and second term. 2R minus 5 into 5R minus 2 is equal to 0. 5R minus 2 is equal to 0, or 2R minus 5 is equal to 0, or 5R minus 2 is equal to 0. Now R is equal to, minus goes that side plus, so 5 by 2. Here also minus goes that side plus, R is equal to 2 by 5. The remaining you find the terms, first term, second term, third term. Taking this as one first case, you see the textbook. Second case, take this as R, again you get the same numbers reverse. That's all.